AI apps are like smart assistants on our phones. They are designed to make our lives easier by performing tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. These apps use artificial intelligence to do helpful things, such as understanding our needs and providing relevant solutions. For instance, they can understand our words and pictures, making it easier to interact with our devices. They can even learn from the information we give them, adapting to our preferences over time. This learning capability helps them make better decisions and give us what we need more efficiently. Imagine talking to your phone and asking for directions. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. An AI app can understand your request, process it, and provide you with accurate information. It can then show you the best route on a map, saving you time and effort. This is just one example of how AI apps make our lives easier. They can handle a variety of tasks, from simple to complex. Another example is an AI app for music. These apps can enhance your listening experience. It can learn your favorite songs and artists by analyzing your listening habits. Based on your preferences, it can recommend new music you might enjoy, introducing you to artists and genres you might not have discovered otherwise. AI apps are becoming increasingly popular in various fields, revolutionizing the way we approach everyday tasks. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming the way we live and work. In healthcare, AI apps can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, while in finance, they can help analyze market trends. In the next section, we will explore how to define your own AI app idea. Let's dive in and see how you can create an app that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to solve real-world problems. Before building an AI app, you need a clear idea. What problem do you want to solve with your app? Who is your target audience? Understanding these aspects is crucial for a successful app. Think about the functionalities of your app. What features will it have? How will users interact with it? Define the core purpose of your AI app. For instance, you might want to create an app that helps people learn a new language. Your target audience could be beginners who prefer interactive learning. The app could offer personalized lessons, quizzes, and progress tracking. By defining your app's purpose, target audience, and functionalities, you lay a strong foundation for development. In the next section, we will explore the tools and technologies you need to build your AI app. Building an AI app might seem daunting, but there are beginner-friendly tools available. These tools simplify the development process. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. One such tool is Teachable Machine. It allows you to train an AI model without writing any code. You can use your webcam to teach the model to recognize images or sounds. Another popular platform is Google AI Platform. It provides a user-friendly interface for building and deploying AI models. You can choose from a variety of pre-trained models or create your own. In addition to these tools, there are online resources and communities dedicated to AI for beginners. These platforms offer tutorials, courses, and support to guide you through the process. Section 4. Building your AI app. A step-by-step guide. Now that you have an idea and the tools, let's dive into building your AI app. This journey will be both challenging and rewarding, but with the right approach, you can create something truly remarkable. This section will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each phase thoroughly. Data is the fuel for AI. Without data, your AI model cannot learn or make predictions. Gather relevant data for your AI model to learn from. This data should be clean, well-labeled, and representative of the problem you're trying to solve. For example, if you're building an image recognition app, collect a data set of images related to your app's purpose. Ensure the images are diverse and cover various scenarios your app might encounter. Use a tool like Teachable Machine or Google AI Platform to train your AI model. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces and powerful algorithms to help you get started. This involves feeding the data to the model and allowing it to learn patterns and make predictions. The training process can take some time, depending on the complexity of your model and the amount of data. Once trained, test your model with new data. This step is crucial to ensure your model performs well on unseen data and can generalize beyond the training set. This helps evaluate its accuracy and identify areas for improvement. Look for metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score to get a comprehensive understanding of your model's performance. Adjust the model's parameters, or provide more training data if needed. Fine-tuning your model can significantly enhance its performance and reliability. Design a user-friendly interface for your app. The interface is the bridge between your users and the AI functionalities, so it should be intuitive and easy to navigate. This is what users will interact with. A well-designed interface can significantly enhance user satisfaction and engagement. You can use app development platforms like Thunkable or MIT App Inventor, which offer drag-and-drop interfaces. These platforms simplify the development process, allowing you to focus on the core functionalities of your app. Integrate your trained AI model into the app's backend. This step involves connecting the model to your app so it can make real-time predictions and provide intelligent responses. This enables the app to utilize the model's predictions and provide intelligent functionalities. For instance, an image recognition app can identify objects in photos, while a chatbot can understand and respond to user queries. Thoroughly test your app to ensure it functions correctly and provides a seamless user experience. Testing should cover various scenarios and edge cases to ensure robustness. Once you're satisfied, launch your app on platforms like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Make sure to follow the guidelines and requirements of each platform to ensure a smooth launch process. Section 5. Avoiding common pitfalls. Tips for success. Developing an AI app can be an exciting yet daunting task. The journey is filled with learning opportunities and challenges that can test your patience and skills. Building an AI app comes with its challenges. From debugging code to ensuring your algorithms are efficient, the process can be overwhelming. Beginners often make common mistakes that can hinder the development process. These mistakes can range from choosing the wrong tools to not understanding the problem domain well enough. Here are some tips to avoid them. First, always start with a clear plan. Understand what you want to achieve and break down the tasks into manageable steps. Don't overcomplicate your app idea initially. It's tempting to add all the features you can think of, but this can lead to a cluttered and confusing app. Begin with a basic version and gradually add features as you gain experience. This approach not only makes the development process more manageable, but also allows you to test and refine each feature thoroughly. The success of your AI model depends on the quality of your data. High-quality data is the backbone of any successful AI application. Ensure your dataset is relevant, comprehensive, and free from errors. Spend time cleaning and organizing your data before feeding it into your model. Regular testing throughout the development process is crucial. Testing helps you catch issues early and ensures that your app functions as expected. Test your model and app rigorously to identify and fix any issues early on. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from others. Constructive criticism can provide new perspectives and help you improve your app. Share your progress with friends, family, or online communities to gain valuable insights. Engaging with others can also keep you motivated and inspired. By following these tips, you can streamline your AI app development journey and increase your chances of success. Remember, persistence and continuous learning are key to overcoming challenges and achieving your goals. Section 6. Conclusion. Your AI journey begins. Congratulations on taking the first step towards building your own AI app. Remember, the key is to start simple, learn continuously, and don't be afraid to experiment. The world of AI is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. As you delve deeper into AI, you'll discover a plethora of resources and communities ready to support your journey. Embrace the challenge, and most importantly, have fun creating something amazing. Your AI adventure begins now.